Good morning, children. Yes, today I am going to explain you the second lesson of your EVS. Yes, all the fourth class children, all the fourth class children. What is your second lesson? Beaks and claws. What is your second lesson? Beaks and claws. Yes, do we have a beak? No, birds have beaks. Which animal have beaks, children? Birds have beaks. Yes, we see different types of birds with different beaks. Some have a long beak. Parrot has a curved beak, crooked beak. Yes, some have a small beak. Kada, different birds ki different types of beaks untaya undava. Okay? Yes, we can see different birds with different beaks. Claws ante enti? కింద వాటి కాళ్ళని క్లాస్ అంటారు. ఉల్లోంకే पैर అయితే నా బర్డ్స్ के उसको बोलते हैं claws. Yes, we see different types of birds. See here, cracker beak. This is a cracker beak. It's in, see children how small it is. It is a cracker beak. Birds like sparrow, peacocks and pigeons have a cracker beak. Short and thick cone-shaped beak. Now, shredder beak. Birds like hawks, eagles and owls which feed on the flesh of other animals have a hooked beak. See how is its beak? Can you see this beak, children? Here. See, it has a hooked beak because they eat the flesh of other animals. और दूसरे जानवर को मार के खाते ना, इसके लिए उसके बीक हुक्ड बीक जैसा है. देखो, इसको बोलते हैं हुक्ड बीक. Yes. Now you see spoon shaped beak. Spoon shaped beak. See children how the beak of a duck you see. It is in a flat beak to catch insects, small fish, worms, everything. It is spoon shaped. Now the hummingbirds have a long beak. See, these birds have a long beak, children. Kingfisher, hummingbird, वो लोग के beak कैसा है? देखो, लंबा है. Okay, children, these are different types of beaks. Can you see? Different birds have different types of beaks. Toes and claws. Toes and claws. Toes and claws means see. Birds use their toes and claws to walk. Birds climb, hold foot. क्या करते हैं toes and claws से? कहीं भी छोटे छोटे झाड़ के ऊपर चढ़ते रहते, वायरों के ऊपर बैठते ना, किसके वजह? वो लोग के क्लॉज के वजह से वो लोग वायरों के ऊपर, दीवारों के ऊपर बैठ सकते. स्विम एंड पर्च ऑन ब्रांचेस. छोटे छोटे पेड़ों पे रहते ना. बर्ड्स यूज क्लॉज फॉर द सेल्फ डिफेंस. यस, दे यूज द क्लॉज फॉर द सेल्फ डिफेंस. नीचे गिरना नहीं बोल के ऐसा पकड़ लेते ना अपने पैर से, उसको बोलते हैं क्लॉज. इसके लिए यूज करते, टाइट पकड़ने के लिए, नीचे गिरना नहीं बोल के. यस, their toes and claws are suited to their foot habits and habitat. Okay? Toes, claws उन के बॉडी के शेप के अनुसार रहते. थोड़े जने को बहुत लंबे बड़ा रहते, थोड़े जने को देखो यहाँ पर है दिखा रहे. See how does a toes and hen को कैसा है देखो. Yes, आप लोग देखते ना मुर्गी आपके घर के आसपास नहीं, मुर्गी के अलग रहते. देखो, ईगल का टोस बड़े रहते क्योंकि ईगल बड़ा रहते ना, उसके टोस और क्लॉज भी बड़े बड़े रहते. ओके, सी द टोस एंड क्रेन. क्रेन के टोस देखो कितने बड़े हैं, पैर लंबे पैर रहते क्रेन के लिए. नाउ स्पैरो यू सी चिल्ड्रन, हाउ डज अ स्पैरो? स्पैरो इज वेरी स्मॉल. इट टोस एंड क्लॉज आर आल्सो वेरी स्मॉल. Wading birds. Wading birds like cranes and herons have long legs and widespread toes which help to wade through shallow water or mud and mud. Yes, जिसको लंबे पाँव रहते हैं वो लोग क्या है, पानी के अंदर तैर के मिट्टी में से, पानी के अंदर मिट्टी में से फिश और जो इన్సెక్ట్స్ है కదా, వాటర్ లో ఉండే ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ ఫిష్ పట్టుకొని తింటాయి కదా, వాటి ఫుడ్ చూడండి ఎట్లా ఉన్నాయి. దే హ్యావ్ లాంగ్ అండ్ ब्रॉड टोस. फ्लैश ईटिंग एनिमल्स, फ्लैश ईटिंग एनिमल्स बोले तो दूसरे जानवर को, छोटे छोटे जानवरों को मार के खाने वाले. ईगल, vulture, yes, these see how they have. Flesh eating birds like hawks, vultures and eagles have sharp curved claws, yes, called talons. उसको क्या बोलते हैं, उसके बहुत तेज रहते पाँव के टोस, कितने तेज रहते क्योंकि वो दूसरे जानवर को ऐसा टेर करके खाते ना, చింపేసుకొని తింటాయి కదా వాటి ఫ్లెష్ నంతా, ఏమంటారు వాటిని, టాలాన్స్. దే యూజ్ దీస్ టాలాన్స్ టు होल्ड their prey. టాలాన్స్ किसके लिए यूज करते हैं, जो भी जानवर को टाइट पकड़ के मुंह से ऐसा खाते, नहीं वो लोग को हाथ रहते नहीं, ये टोस से ही जानवर को पकड़ के मुंह से खाते. अब देखते ना कभी कौवा आसपास में छोटे छोटे रैट्स को ये वो खाते रहते ना, मुंह में पकड़ के ले जाके एक जगह रख लेके खाते ना, इसको बोलते. These birds catch their prey while flying. Yes, they catch their prey in the mouth and while they are flying. Now scratching birds. Scratching birds बोले तो जमीन में डिग करते. कभी देखे मुर्गी आसपास hen కాక్ ఉంటాయి కదా, వాటి ఏం చేస్తాయి, అవి భూమిలో మట్టిని తవ్వుకొని అందులో కూర్చుంటాయి కదా, थोड़ा मिट्टी खोद लेके उसमें बैठते ना, that is called scratching. Scratching birds like cocks and hens have strong legs. Yes, उसके पाँव बहुत strong रहते with 3 toes. कितने toes रहते, 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. They have hard claws to dig and scratch the ground. वो लोग के पंजा, जो पाँव के पंजा रहते ना, वो बहुत स्ट्रांग रहता क्योंकि वो मिट्टी खोदते ना, थोड़ा मिट्टी खोद के उसमें बैठते ना मुर्गी, कभी देखे आप लोग, यस. एंड टू फाइंड द इंसेक्ट्स, इट विल फाइंड द इंसेक्ट्स इन दैट मड. क्यों खोदते, छोटे छोटे कीड़े मिट्टी में मिलने तो वो खा लेते. यस, सी here they are showing you different claws. You see children, perching birds. Perching birds are the most diverse of all the living bird groups. Perching birds include tits, sparrows, finches, wrens, dippers, thrushes, starlings, warblers, crows, jays. All these are perching birds. Perching birds बोले तो वो दूसरों जानवर छोटे छोटे ढूंढ के झाड़ों पे छोटे छोटे कीड़े, वो पूरे मकुड़े को ढूंढ के खाते, చెట్ల మీద ఉన్న పురుగులని, ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ ని అవిటిని పట్టుకొని తింటాయి అన్నమాట. सी वो लोग देखो झाड़ को कैसे पकड़ लेते छोटे छोटे अपने टोस के साथ, दिख रहा या? Yes children, can you see here the different types of, पीछे कैसे पकड़ने का, दिस इज अ hen one, कॉक्स को hen को ऐसा रहता. Can you see these pictures? These are the different types of toes and claws. Now you see climbing birds. Climbing birds means जो छोटे छोटे छेड़ते ना, have only 2 toes pointing upwards. Climbing birds have only 2 toes. Yes, they have only 2 toes. Climbing birds have only 2 toes. The other 2 toes point downwards to climb and cling on the trees. Yes, climbing birds बोले तो छोटे जो birds झाड़ चढ़ते रहते. Woodpecker and parrot are climbing birds. What are the climbing birds? Woodpecker and parrot. Swimming birds. See children, swimming birds have a webbed feet. Yes, आप कभी देखे डक का feet कैसे रहता, बहुत broad रहता. Yes, those are called as webbed feet. The webbed feet, with that they can. Swimming birds have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Yes, they have 3 in front and 1 at the back. See here. यहाँ पर देखो 2 सामने 2 आगे पीछे है ना. डक्स को वेब्ड फीट बोले तो कैसे 3 सामने रहता है, ऐसा देखो, ऐसा रहते. Yes. The webbed feet help these birds to swim. Ducks and penguins are the examples of swimming birds. అర్థమైందా? డిఫరెంట్ బర్డ్స్కి ఎట్లా డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ బీక్స్ ఉంటాయి, డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ క్లాస్ ఉంటాయి. కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు? ఎవ్రీబడి समझ में आया? Yes children. Did you follow the lesson? Have you all understood?